Hi there, my name is Gina, and I am the owner and photographer of Infulldetail. At Infulldetail, we are not just clicking the button on a camera. We work towards building a strategy for your branding shoot that is directly related to the goals for your business, the content that you plan on sharing in the future, and anything that we think you need to tell a better story and build a narrative for your business. Before your shoot, we'll do a deep dive into your business, find out what your goals are, your ideal client, the types of content that you plan on sharing, come up with content ideas for you, audit your website to see what images and videos you might be needing, and build a personalized shot list so that your branding shoot can be the most efficient that it possibly can. Along with branding photography, we also offer content clarity sessions and content clarity workshops. Content clarity sessions are when we'll do a deep dive into your business one-on-one and come up with a strategy for your social media and your digital marketing. A typical content clarity session lasts about 2 to 3 hours, depending on how much we want to cover, and could yield up to 3 months worth of content ideas. Content clarity sessions are really great for anyone who has any social media questions, needs to build a sustainable strategy, or just needs to come up with a bunch of content ideas and easy ways to develop them. A content clarity workshop is really great for any business owner who would like to host other business owners, or if they would like to have their team attend. In the content clarity workshop, we'll go through tips and tricks for social media, building a sustainable strategy, coming up with content ideas, and so much more. For more information on Infulldetail, what we do, and past work, you can find everything you need on Infulldetail's Instagram or our website. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and I can't wait to meet you. Talk soon.